Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Green Dot prepaid debit Visa card, and more specifically, we are going to see if we can add our Green Dot prepaid Visa card into our eBay wallet. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, if you're not familiar with Green Dot, it's one of the more popular prepaid debit cards on the market right now. And basically what it is, you can just buy these little debit cards at local retailers, so I bought this one at CVS. Once you buy the card, then you can load cash, green cash, onto these debit cards, and then once that happens, you can usually use them wherever debit Visa is accepted, which is a lot of places these days. But can you add this into your eBay wallet? I'm going to go ahead and find out. So I'm going to open up my eBay app. It's this white and colorful one here. It's called eBay. If you don't have Green Dot or eBay, be sure to check my video description. I'll try to leave a referral link there. But I'm going to go ahead and open it now. All right, I went ahead and opened up my eBay app, and this is the home screen. So here you can do shopping, look for things you want to buy. You can see that your recently viewed items. So you can see I was checking out some Nike Air Maxes, but we're not going to worry about that. If you want to go ahead and add a payment method to your eBay wallet, you want to look here on the menu screen. It's right here on the bottom, and you want to click on My eBay. It is the second button from the left. It has that little person looking thing there. I'm going to go ahead and click there now. All right, once you click there, then your settings tab is right here, and a lot of other various options like the items that you're watching, saved searches, things that you've bought through eBay, but we're not going to worry about that. What you want to click on is payment options. It's this one right here on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines down. I'm going to go ahead and click there now. All right, once you click there, then this wallet screen pops up and you can see all the different payment options you have with your eBay account. And you can also add and delete payments. But what you want to do if you want to see if your Green Dot debit Visa prepaid card can be added into your eBay wallet, click right here on this bottom. It says add payment option. I'm going to go ahead and click there now. All right, once you're here, then you can add a payment credit card or debit card for checkout, it says. So we're going to go ahead and click on that option here on the top. All right, so here we are. It's asking for the 16-digit Green Dot prepaid card number, expiration date, security code, and my billing address. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that information off screen now. All right, I went ahead and entered in my Green Dot prepaid debit card Visa number into the required form here for eBay. Next, it's asking me to click this blue button to add the card. I'm going to go ahead and click that now. All right, it's thinking. All right, after a few moments, it says you've added a card. So it looks like, yes, you can add your Green Dot prepaid Visa debit card into your eBay wallet in order to make purchases with eBay. If you weren't able to add yours, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know why. But as far as I can see, yes, you can add your Green Dot prepaid debit card to eBay. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching.